Cut. Snot is not supposed to come out of Scout's nose when he sneezes. Take 2.
This Disney DVD is enhanced with Disney's Fast Play. Your movie and a selection of bonus features will begin automatically. To bypass Fast Play, select the main menu button at any time. Fast Play will begin in a moment.
Cut. You cannot make that into a Disney Fast Play main menu. Take 3. Cut. How many times have I said this? It's not supposed to be in grayscale like the 1950s. Take 4. Cut. You cannot turn it into ink either. When it's in ink, it kind of looks like Scout's head goes through the flower, and you can't even see the last flower. Take 5. Cut. No, you cannot do a replay of the video. Take 6. Cut. You cannot do it on the Violet version. You're supposed to do it on the Scout version. Take 7.
Achoo!
Cut. When I said do it on the Scout version, I did not mean do it on the big Scout version. I meant do it on the little Scout version. Take 8. Julie, we got a little ice cream on her by accident.
Control, I'm ready to go.
Henry, stop making noises. You already had your turn. Julie, we go.
My propeller spins round and round, lifting me off the ground.
Cut. The funny Henry the Helicopter clip from my Zuzu Pets Collection 6 just interrupted this. Take 9.
3 flowers.
Cut. You cannot go to the Leapfrog Scout Phone 3 Flowers video. Take 10. Cut. Absolutely not. You cannot freeze the video just to get to use the Nintendo GameCube sound. Take 11. Cut. The audio is right, but it's not supposed to show the Plum Landing logo. Take 12. Cut. It's not supposed to say Plum Landing at the top of the screen. Plus, Plum Landing stopped making episodes on November 1st, 2016. Take 13. And after that, no more Plum Landing stuff. Cut. It's not supposed to say Dinosaur Train either. Plus, Dinosaur Train already stopped making episodes in 2020, April 1st. Take 14. Cut. That's the right audio, but it's not supposed to be showing the thumbnail for How's Big Dig. Take 15. And after that, no more PBS Kids stuff. Cut. You made the studio too hot. I'm going to burn. Take 16. Cut. Now you made the studio too cold. I'm going to freeze. Take 17. Cut. It's raining. Now I have to put everything in the house. Take 18. Cut. Why is it damp? It's not supposed to be damp. I think it's from all the rain outside. You know what? I think you're right. Once I get a new camera, we'll do take 19. Cut. Why is it in comic? It's not supposed to be in comic. Take 20. And after that, no more color filters. Cut. The word achoo is not supposed to pop up on the screen when Scout sneezes. Take 21. Cut. You're not supposed to freeze the video when Scout is about to sneeze. Take 22. Cut. Why is it fast? It's not supposed to be fast like a cheetah. Take 23. Cut. Why is it slow? It's not supposed to be slow like a sloth. Take 24. Cut. Little Scout and Big Scout, you're not supposed to be taking turns sneezing like that. Take 25. Major cut. It's not supposed to turn into blast when Scout sneezes. Take 26. Cut. It's not supposed to say 2013. I didn't even start my YouTube channel in 2013. I started it in 2022. Take 27. Really? 2023? I did not make this in 2023. I made it in 2025. Take 28. And after that, don't put any more years on the screen. Cut. It's not supposed to say leapfrog at the top of the screen. Take 29. Cut. You're not supposed to have the audio where Violet sneezes. You're supposed to have the audio where Scout sneezes. Take 30. Final take. If you mess it up, then I am done and this ID will be canceled. Finally, thank you. And thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in another one. Goodbye, everyone.